What's up, guys? Welcome to the Warrior Money. So most of you ask me, how can I start with CashApp? What is the? Is it reliable? Is it like something you should invest? Definitely. I'm gonna show you why. So what is actually investing? Investing is when you allocate money in the stock market with goal of making profit. With CashApp, you can choose to invest in a variety of stocks and exchange traded funds, ETFs. CashApps make it easy to invest in your favorite companies with as little as one. So most of you ask me, how can I earn money with CashApp? First of all, you need to download the CashApp app, from the CashApp. Okay. The second step you need to do, in order to invest, you need to buy stock ETFs using the CashApp. Invest in first, search for a company name or a ticker symbol, then choose how much of the stock you want to buy, either from a present or amount or custom amount you enter. It's that simple. Stock can be purchased using the funds in the CashApp balance. If you don't have my balance, it will be debited from your link debit card. So in order to invest, you open an account in the CashApp. You download the app. And the second thing you need to do, you need to go to the app and you can refer it to a friend. Now, there is a referral bonus. I'm gonna show you it soon. Okay, guys, so you go to this link, you download the Cash app to mobile, and there is actually a bonus code that you can actually earn money by referring to it to friends. Right? So one way what you can do, you can refer it to as many friends, let's say 20 friends. Right? I'm gonna share with you soon the code, and with this code you share it in the Cash app, right? And you get from it a referral link. Right? So you go to your account balance, and if you choose the stock you want to invest in, okay, after you download it, how you can make money from it, you have a referral to friends option. Refer it to 20 friends. I'm gonna share with you soon the code. If you put it on the Cash app, you can also in your account balance. Okay, so going into Cash app, in order to earn from it the bonus code for your stocks investments, you go to the app, you enter the referral code, you send a request to a parent or a guardian approval. Then what you do is you link a debit card to a physical cash card. You send 5 within 14 days using the referral code. So this is one way you can invest in this Cash app now. There is in the Cash app stock market hours, and let's say this, if you want to buy and invest in stock, just good to know it's scheduled 24/7. Orders will only be placed within the US market. Is open for trading. So pick a note, this is the times. I hope this was really useful for you to get it from the Cash app and to invest into this Cash app. I myself doing it, and I hope you guys, it helps you out to really start invest in the stock market in the CashApp.